So my topic is special angles and identities, and this is a table of special angles, and you simply derive these numbers by getting square root of 0, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, and square root of 4, and divide them by 2. And for sine of 0, the square root of 2 over 2 is simply 0. The square root of 1 over 2 is 1 over 2, and square root of 2 over 2 is square root of 2 over 2 because you can't simplify that anymore. Square root of 3 over 2, you can't simplify that either, so that's square root of 3 over 2. And square root of 4 is 2, which is 2 over 2, which equals 1. And to get cosine, all you have to do is get sine backwards, which is 0 and 0, 1 and 1, and so forth. And to get tangent, you have to derive it by getting the sine and cosine and dividing them. So 0 over 1 is 0. And to get tangent of 30 is you have to divide 1 over 2 divided by the square root of 3 over 2. And then you get the reciprocal right here. And you cancel these out. So it's 1 over square root of 3. And this isn't finished right here because we have to rationalize the denominator. And so to rationalize the denominator, you have to divide it top and bottom, the numerator and denominator. So we get square root of 3, and square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, and that's how we get tangent of 30. And over here we have identities. So these are the identities up here, and how we apply them is, for example, to get cosecant of 30 degrees, you have to get 1 over the sine of 30 degrees. So it's 1 over sine of 30 is, as you can see over there, is 1/2. So 1 over 1/2 to get it is 1 times 2, and this is 2. Cosecant of 30 degrees is 2. Secant of 30 is 1 over cosine, which is, so it's 1 over cosine of 30 degrees, and you have to divide 1 over square root of 3 over 2, since cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. You end up with 2 over square root of 3, which that isn't correct because we have to rationalize it, and that's when we come back here. And to rationalize the denominator, once again, you have to get the denominator and divide it, multiply it top and bottom. Get 2 times 2 square root of 3 and 3 for the bottom. And if you want to go even further with this, we can get the cotangent of 0 degrees, which is cosine of 0 and sine of 0, since cotangent can equal cosine of theta over sine of theta. And the cosine of 0 is 1, so we put 1 on top, and the sine of 0 is 1, and this is simply undefined.